Hey, United 2305, TCAS RA.
United 2305, Roger. Go around, climb maintain 3000, fly heading, or fly runway heading.
Runway heading up to 3000, United 2305.
Sorry, 2381 checking in for 2-8 left.
Yeah, 2305, turn left heading 260, climb maintain 3100. 305, turn left heading 260, climb maintain 3100.
Climb maintain 3100 and left 260, United 2305.
Air France 83 X-ray Heavy, San Francisco Tower, runway 28 left, line up and wait, traffic at Boeing 737, 8 mile final.
Line up and wait, 2 Air France 83 X-ray heading.
Yeah, 2305, contact NorCal approach 135.1.
351, United 2305.
Air France 83 X-ray Heavy, runway 28 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 28 left, Air France 83 X-ray heading.
Tower United 1469, 28 right.
Air 1469, San Francisco Tower, cautionary turbulence, heavy Boeing 777 departing the parallel, wind 27015, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 28 right, United 1469. Yeah, 2301 has an RA 11 off.
United 2381, roger.
And looks like we're clear conflict, we're descending again, 2381.
Yeah, 2381, roger.
Approach United 2305, 3100, speed 210, heading 260.
Yeah, 2305, record apart. Continue to discuss and maintain 5000.
Alright, climb at 5000, United 2305.
And United 2305, for now, speed is your discretion.
Speed our discretion, United 2305.
United 2381, another RA.
Okay, 2381, roger. At 2381, when able, say intentions.
We're going to go down to 500 feet. If it looks good there, we'll go for it. If not, we'll go around. We'll let you know.
Press.
San Fran Tower, Canada 741 with you.
Air Canada 741, San Francisco Tower, 28 right, clear to land.
28 right, clear to land, Air Canada 741.
United 381 is continuing.
2381, thank you.
And confirm clear to land for 28 left.
Yeah, 2381, affirmative.
Clear to land, 28 left, yeah, 2381.
Dallas 4655, turn right heading 180. We can maintain 5000.
Down to 5000, 180 on the Haines, Gus 4655.
Dallas 4655, when you roll out, clearing traffic 12 to 11 o'clock, 6 miles northwestbound regional jet 4000, to 11 for traffic in airport effect.
We'll let you know, Gus 4655.
Clearance canceled, intercept localizer 28 left.
3000, approach clearance canceled, and intercept localizer 28 left, guys 3841.
Dallas 4655, turn right heading 280.
Right heading 280, Gus 4655, traffic in the airport side.
Dallas 4655, roger, maintain visual separation, clear to visual approach range 3 right.
Cleared for visual, 28 right, maintain visual separations, Gus 4655.
Dallas 3841, reduce speed to 160.
Slow to 160, guys 3841. Okay, well we've got him in sight, heading 250, 2600, sky was 3841. Yeah, he's above and to the west, to the southwest of us.
Dallas 3841, affirmative. They went through fine a little bit. We're going to give them some room to descend. We'll get you turned back in just a sec.
Alrighty.
Dallas 4655, going to maintain 4000.
Descend to maintain 4000, Gus 4655.
25 roger, approach clearance canceled, 5 runway heading, or 5 present heading, maintain 4000.
Present heading 4000, Gus 4655.
Dallas 4655, resume normal speed, contact NorCal departure 135.1.
351, SkyWest 4655.
SkyWest 4655. SkyWest 3841.
San Francisco, hello, sky 3841, we're 6 out, 2 left.
SkyWest 3841, San Francisco Tower, continue, runway 28 left, runway inspection in progress.
Continue, sky 3841.
SkyWest 4655. SkyWest 3841, runway 28 left, cleared to land.
2 left, clear to land, sky 3841.
Air Mexico 669, San Francisco Tower, 1 left, line up and wait, traffic lands west.
Line up and wait, runway 1 left, Mexico 669.
West Jet 1775, San Francisco Tower, 1 right, line up and wait, traffic lands west.
line up 1 right, west at 1775.
Alaska 375 just outside the bridge, 28 right.
Yeah, 208 San Francisco Tower. Alaska 375, San Francisco Tower, 28 right, clear to land.
Clear land 28 right, Alaska 375.
San Francisco Tower, United 208, visual 28 left.
Okay, 208 San Francisco Tower, 28 left, clear to land.
28 left, clear to land, United 28.